Okay, I'm starting like this. This is July. Stop that. Once again, it's just give me the. There we go. It's July 5th, 1:31. We're in the bedroom here. I don't know what I'm looking at, but I just want to show you the screen. Here's the screen, 29 bucks. Okay, that's what we got this for. 29 bucks. It's supposed to work. That's all we know. 29 bucks. Yeah. Okay, so I have so many projects here. So many things. Alright, so now we go into here. And then we've got whatever that 5150. I got speakers, but now way up here in this box I'm pointing to, I bought that way back in 2012, which is one of these. Okay. But this one I bought, I don't know, about a year or so ago, and I couldn't repair it. So I bought another one. I'm not buying any more of these things. So I have one supposedly brand new in the box. Then I have this one I can't repair. So here I've got another one here, but the reason why I got this one because it has the remote. And let me just briefly power this thing on, right?
Takes the edge off. The prostate keeps growing. The bladder keeps working harder. And over time, those changes can be harder to reverse. But surgery, not for you, right? Aquablation is not the surgery you're picturing. It's the only ultrasound-guided robotic-assisted therapy for enlarged prostate. Don't wait until things become unbearable. Find an Aquablation urologist near you. Call Aquablation Dallas at 214-592-1127.
Here's the cover for the cassette.
214-592-1127. That's 214-592-1127. All surgical treatments carry risks, and results may vary. Side effects.
This works very well as a radio, but I can't remember if I ever got the cassette deck to work or what, but the remote control works. It comes off, you just pull it down and you pop it out and there it is. Okay, so this does work. Okay, and so there it is like that. And now put that there, and again it's well, okay, if you can hear it, it is working. But something is goofy. Don't know what's wrong here. I just know that all the lights work. That, this, play. Just something doesn't work right. I don't know what it is. So hopefully with this one here, I can make it work and not have to open that thing up there, but that will be for sale sometime in the future. Okay, and I've got way too many projects here. I'm not buying any more. I have what? I have another Sanyo just like that one, I think, coming. And then I have the BB777 coming, and that's it. I ain't buying no more stuff. I'm going to try and start selling all this stuff. If I can't sell it on Facebook and YouTube, then I'm going to be selling it in eBay, because I gotta move this stuff. I have way too much stuff. Way too much stuff. People have been clamoring about these Sanyos, and anyway, just, and then we can't even see them back there now, but all the JVC stuff is back there, and the other JVC stuff is back there in the corner. You can't see because this is a double deep deck, see, it's a double deep 36 inches deep shelving. So anyway, I just have so many things here to, somebody's talking about a 506 magnet box there. I just got so many things. Just, I've got this, what is this? This is the Iowa double cassette thing, micro cassette and full size. Yes, I've got one of these. I'm not selling that, that's for sure. That's the, the famous whatever. Okay, so, and I bought this by mistake. Didn't realize it didn't have a handle. I was so upset over that. Oh well, I can't win them all. So hopefully this will be what I'm looking for. So now, going to do the same thing with the Facebook people, which I haven't turned on yet. There it is, but it's all ready to go. So bear with me while I run into the other room. Well, maybe I just take it. Oh, okay. Let me just set this thing on the tripod. Okay, rotate that around so I can see me. Okay, so I think it's tilted. I don't know why it's tilted. Alright, here, let's bring that down. Bring this one back. There we go. Alright, so, okay, so, yeah, it's pretty close there, so let's turn this on. Alright, so, okay, this is on. So, I'll let you see how to do this. All right, so, going live. Stars enabled. Okay, we're live. It's July 5, 1:37 p.m. 2026. We're in the radio room. All right. And I've got the. I've already told everybody about that right there. So now I'm going to go into here and just show you ever so briefly. We got Walkmans. We got everything else in the whole world, but this is what we got right here. $30, right? Toshiba RT-S93, $30. We had to wait for it to get here. All right, got all this stuff. All right. And as I was telling people on YouTube there, right? This one here I have. It works kind of, sort of. See, turn the radio on. Wait. Which one's the volume?
Lock the that's slow motion, even though it's procedurally.
Then we got the tape deck. Tape deck does what? It does that. And hit stop. And you can go fast forward, rewind, play, pause. But we can't get the cassette deck door open. It won't come out. There's the door cover. Okay. We've got another one up here in that box, in the cardboard box up there in the corner. Anyway, so we bought another one. There it is in the box. All right. So now, without further ado, I'm going to just show you that this, power cord is actually working. Right. So we're gonna, and this one didn't come with a remote. This is the only remote I got, but the remote works. See, it lights up when you hit the button, and it does the appropriate thing on here, so I know that's good. Okay, just this deck doesn't work. The radio works, but nothing else works. So, without further ado, I'm going to unbox this one here and replace that, and hopefully have a chance to repair it. There's the YouTube backup, which I already explained all this already. I did it individually, right? So, put this up here and here, right? Lock that in. So let's tilt it down to the about there. That's good. All right. And once again, readjust this one. See, am I fully wound out? Wound out. There we go. Okay. So you know what? I forgot scissors. Let me go get scissors. Okay, got scissors. So here we go, and I don't know if the reel that I got, anyway, so that I played that, showed everybody everything. Let's open this thing up, right? So here it is. It's a cut down box. Right here. It's got a little bit of movement in there. All right. There's only one person that likes to see me do that. I don't know if he still watches my video, but anyway, so there's that. And then I guess we got to come over here. Okay, so okay, well, all right, great. So now, they did package it, but they didn't put enough stuffing inside the box here keep it from sliding. So we've got, well, the door, the door's come off. There's a door. It's not broken, just simply came off. That's okay then. Okay. And it's really hard to hold this, unbox it and all that, but oh golly, so here it is. And just get it out. Don't let it fall. Got a handle, got the handle. Great. So okay, so that's it, just that, there's nothing there. Okay, so we got a radio here. It's got a little bit of, oh, what that is, it's like rust at the bottom corner of the speaker here. That's just interesting. Okay, well, looks great. And this one's got the trim piece right here, which mine is missing, so that's nice. That's another reason why I got this one. It's got both antennas. Okay. And, oh, the battery cord. Why'd they leave it plugged in? Maybe they thought I'd lose it or something. I don't need that, I got one plugged in already. Okay, let's look in the battery compartment. And the battery compartment has, well, how about that? It's got one dead battery, one very rusted battery. Battery terminals are okay. That one's, that's probably what happened, is that this one here rusted, it corroded and came out the front. That's what happened. So we've got one very rusted battery. I don't know if you can see that, but there it is. So just put it in here. I don't need that. Okay, so may have to replace some springs here. That's still springy, so that's okay. Very good. So that's, or I can just take the springs out of this one and put it in here, because all y'all aren't going to play these things. Now this has got, what's going on here? We've got this hole, that hole, and this hole had, and that hole has got this white plugging stuff in it. Like you're not supposed to unscrew it or something. People, I just don't know. All right. Without further ado, let's plug it in. Okay. Well, that clicked. That's good. Will the cassette deck door open? No, it won't open. Okay. Well, it's in play mode. Get my remote control out and put it in here. Now we can tell it to stop. Great. Oh, yay! We can open the cassette deck door. Oh, that's so nice. All right, well, heck. Does it play? It's actually playing. Wow. Let's see here. Let's hit stop. Rewinds. Great. Fast forwards like it was new. Wow. Give me a cassette. I didn't bring something I can play. I mean, I didn't bring something I can see. So hit eject. Great. Drop. This is Patti Smythe with Don Henley. Sometimes love ain't enough. Okay. I want to play a few seconds of this because I don't want to get in trouble with the copyright people. Okay, so that needs to be cleaned. Wait, stop, stop. Wait, just turn the volume down because I don't want you to hear it. Okay, so it does work. Wow, it just needs to be cleaned up. Yeah, great, perfect. Just needed a remote control to make it work. Okay, well that's great. So, yep, clean the controls and we're good. Well, that's much better. Okay, so we'll have to figure out how to clean this, if we can get this this part here to come off, whatever, but that's fabulous. So if anybody wants one of these, you'll have to find a remote for it. There it is. It won't have the strip to it, but you know, the rest of it works as you heard it previously. But now I've got a good working deck here with a good working set of solenoids, and most importantly I have the remote control, and it worked it, and it allowed me to, well, here, see, so supposedly I can do it remotely, right? So let's hit play. There we go. And we hit stop. Great. And then we hit fast forward. And does it, let's see, stop. And rewind. Oh, that's neat. Tape kind of is even rolling along. Okay, so, and auto stopped. Great. And kick it out, get my tape out of here, well, whatever tape this is. Okay, alright, so, I'm in business. So, I already showed you what I paid for it. The real kicker was getting it here. Alright, so I'm happy camper. Just gotta put the cassette deck door on. Maybe that one's better condition than this one. I'm happy. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I had too much fun here. Yep. So let's gotta throw this box away. Okay. So here, let me unplug it and show it to you here. See if we can do it without tripping. Alright, so here it is. It's 93 and it's got this little bit of rust right there, but that's from the battery compartment and such. Looks like that. I don't know where the, there's the, anyway, that's it. So I'm golden. Alright, same to you. Here it is. Looks like that. Looks like this. Works great. Gotta go. Thanks for watching. Good day. Bye-bye. I'm ready. Yay. Okay, that was a good deal. That was a good bargain. That was good everything. Alright, so I'll turn this thing off. Here. Actually, I put the wrong one up. Put your scissors, well, here. Put this down, alright. Put that one down, and then pick this one up. Okay, yeah. And, well, okay. So here, let's just drops on. Right, there you go. There we go. All right. And then return. Well, you gotta. Well, I don't. Okay, I gotta say goodbye. Goodbye.